7 things you should never do for a man, even if you are madly in love with him. I get it. You love him. You don't want to lose him. He might have promised you marriage. Maybe you've already pictured your life together. But before you go all in, let me share this truth. There are 7 things you should never do for a man, no matter how deep your love runs. Many women who ignored these warnings are now living in regret. Some divorced, some single mothers with no support system, some still trying to pick up the pieces. Please listen to this to the end before making that same mistake. 1. Don't give up your dreams and ambition for a man. A young lady once told me about how she fell in love with a man living overseas. It started as a long-distance relationship. He promised her the world, said he would marry her if she came over. She left everything behind, her education, her goals, even her family. She sold what she had, prepared her documents, and traveled to be with him. A few months later, he told her he was no longer interested. She was deported, broke, heartbroken, and without a clear path forward. She couldn't return to school, she had no job, no backup plan, nothing, just pain and regrets. Ladies, please listen. If a relationship demands that you abandon your education, your career, or your calling in life, it's not the right one for you. A man should build you, not break you. He should elevate your purpose, not silence it. Never give up your life just to be in his. 2. Taking up the wifely role even as a girlfriend. Too many women start acting like wives to men who haven't even proposed. You're cooking, cleaning, washing his clothes, running errands, even giving your body like it's already a marriage. And yet, there's no ring. I'm not saying don't help out. If he's sick or you're spending quality time together, fine. But if you're doing these things every time you visit, or worse, living with him without commitment, that's not love, that's desperation. You're teaching him to enjoy the benefits of a wife without giving you the title. Please, don't settle. Value yourself more than that. 3. Don't buy any properties with a man's name. Whether you're married or not, be wise. If you're the one paying for something, property, a car, land, make sure your name is on the documents. One woman came to me in tears. She had bought several properties in her husband's name out of trust and love. When the marriage crashed, he sold everything and the law backed him, because the papers were all in his name. Now, she's homeless while he lives comfortably with another woman. You can love someone and still protect yourself. Marriage is not a license to lose your identity or financial independence. Talk about these things during courtship, and never let love blind you to reality. 4. Don't hurt someone because of your man. Another woman told me how her boyfriend asked her to cut ties with her male friends. Out of love, she blocked everyone, even people who genuinely cared for her. Well, the relationship ended. And guess what? She was left completely alone. She had to go back and apologize to those friends she pushed away. Don't burn bridges for a man. If he has insecurity issues, he should work on them. As long as you're respectful and honest, you have every right to maintain